All right, Bamarillo here with the Dirt Racing Connection. I'm with Ethan Burgess, second place finish tonight. Started off with in fifth, spun out, had to come back up through the field. Take us through that.
Oh man, I rolled into turn one there on the first lap, and everybody locked them up, and ended up spinning out, and was just hoping I didn't get into the wall there. And then started in the back of the field, and car just hooked up and come to the front, and then wish we would have had a couple more laps to Challenge Gardens.
Yeah, you were moving up through the field. Had to make a couple close calls with some lap cars and some different things, and at one point you and Stapleton were almost completely sideways down the front stretch. That was pretty crazy.
Oh yeah, I didn't mean to get into Chad. Just that track was so rough, and the cars were bouncing all over the place, and I can't believe I made some of the moves that ended up happening tonight. It was really rough.
Well, it was a great run. Go ahead and thank your sponsors and everybody helped us get you here.
Alrighty, well, first off, I'd like to thank my family and friends for being here helping me. Roger Bacon High School, H.J. Hawley, Root Beer Stand, Valvoline, DMB Fleet Maintenance, Triple R Tree Service, and just all the fans who come out and support. I heard I had the whole place on their feet, so yeah, that's good to hear.
That you did. Ethan Burgess, congratulations, second place.
Thank you.